Hey y'all, Happy New Year. This is Shay. Welcome to my channel. My channel, if you haven't been here before, my channel is about home decor, recipes, and entrepreneurship. If this is something that you're interested in, hit that notification button, become a subscriber. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make salmon tacos using my DivineKuizine remoulade sauce and my DivineKuizine sugar spice. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Okay, so we have some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of cayenne and cayenne powder, pepper, but you don't have to like you just use a little bit just to get a little bit of heat. So it's like a pinch. I'm not gonna put a whole lot in here because you don't want your fish hot, but just, you know, it gives it just a little bit of a kick, you know what I mean? And then we have some Creole seasoning. You know, I love my seasoned pepper. I found one in a bigger container. I really need to make my own seasoned pepper. I just don't have the patience, but I'm gonna make some one day. Smoked paprika, some salt. Recipes will always be at DivineKuizine.com. I got a little bit of lemon that I'm gonna put in here. And some olive oil. And this would be good if you could marinate it, but since we're on camera, we just gonna go ahead and cook it up, you know what I'm saying? But you could put this in your refrigerator, let all the seasonings marinate together, and you'd be good to go. Okay, so we've just finished marinating this, so now I'm gonna take it over to the stove and go ahead and pan-sear them, and then we're gonna get them a nice crust, and then I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. So we'll let them pan-sear probably for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay y'all, so we getting ready to make the coleslaw that is going to go with the salmon tacos, and we're going to be using the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. The DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. This is another way that you can use this sauce. This sauce is like a dressing or like a dipping sauce, so you can use it with like on fried fish. This coleslaw we're getting ready to make. I just went and got some coleslaw, cleaned it up, washed it up and everything. But it's just bag coleslaw. But if you want to be fancy, you can go ahead and cut up all the cabbage, red cabbage, carrots, or whatever you want to do. I'm gonna add some things to it, but I start just with some bag coleslaw. To that is I cleaned up some peppers. So I like the mini peppers opposed to getting the big ones. It just lasts, get this water out of here. It just lasts longer for me. So we have some colored peppers that we're gonna go ahead and put in here. So I'm gonna slice them very thin, colored peppers that I have mixed in here. I'll put a little bit of red onion in here as well. And a little bit of jalapeno, but not a lot. I'm gonna put this on the top. So we got all the coleslaw, so we got the peppers, the colored peppers, the red onion that I added, and then just the coleslaw mixture. So now we're gonna get ready to season, you know, put everything together. So we're gonna add a little bit of seasoned pepper in here. Not a lot, because you don't really want it like pepper, you know what I mean? So just like this, just a little bit. Just a real, don't be heavy-handed. Just a little bit. Put that away. Put it away. Nails is coming up as we talk. And we're gonna put some salt. Always salt your food. You don't make it salty, but you always need some type of salt. Even guys said stuff needs to be salty because it's not good if it has no flavor to it, okay? Then we got the DivineKuizine sugar spice. The DivineKuizine sugar spice. That is gonna be to help us kind of sweeten this up. You know how some people use coleslaw? I mean, not coleslaw, sugar. We're gonna use the DivineKuizine sugar spice. This is another way that I've shown you how to use my products are very universal. So you have seen me bake with this, put it on vegetables, you know, a little bit on vegetables. Now we're gonna put it in this coleslaw, okay? And it has like some warm spices in it. So it has brown sugar, cardamom, cinnamon, all mixed together. But don't get like think, oh my God, cinnamon and cocoa. I'm telling you, it's gonna one up the flavor. I'm telling you. Okay, so you put like about a teaspoon of that in there. We're gonna put a little lime for a little acidity. I'm gonna cut up another lime. Give it a little bit of acidity. Kind of the infamous DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in here. And this all you're gonna need. You ain't gonna need no mayonnaise or whatever else y'all be putting in here. I don't know what else y'all be doing. Just get you some DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. We finished. You see how easy that was to make some coleslaw? And you could just eat it like this. You could put this on some hot dogs, you know, down south, you know, some slaw dogs. You could do this, get the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. You could have it on the table with your fried chicken, you know, or your barbecue. You know, we're gonna be getting to that season in the next 3 or 4 months. We're gonna use some of the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce just to dress them a little bit. Got my tongs here, y'all. I'm gonna put it on there. So we're gonna take some of the salmon. Break it up, or you know, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna take a little bit of jalapeno just to put it on top. You know, give it a little more freshness. We have made our first recipe of the year: salmon tacos, using 2 of DivineKuizine's products, DivineKuizine remoulade sauce and DivineKuizine sugar spice. We'll use the sugar spice in the coleslaw, and we use the remoulade sauce in the coleslaw as well, and we also dressed it with it. To get any of these products, you can go to the TikTok shop, Amazon, and DivineKuizine. So let's get into them. It was really easy. This is easy to make anyways. I used a different tortilla, so I can't wait to go in, but you see how let me just eat it. Let me just taste it, then I'll talk about it. It's good. I don't know what I'm saying. My food is good. But it's good. It's good. Let's talk about it. That tortilla is on point. To get them real tortillas, like how they making it with the masa and stuff like that, your tortilla really makes a difference. And then the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce is sweet. It's kind of got a kick of spice to it, plus with that jalapeno freshness on top. And then the coleslaw, a little bit of the DivineKuizine sugar spice, put it all together. That salmon is seasoned perfectly. This was a good #1 recipe for the first of the year. Tonight. I was just being greedy getting another bite. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you're on YouTube and you're watching my YouTube channel, hit that notification button so you're always notified when I have recipes on here for you to get. So this salmon taco, easy, good to make, a banger. Love y'all. Happy New Year's. Shay.